The seven chakras. The seven chakras are the energy centers within the body that balance, promote physical, emotional, and the spiritual well being. Activation and balancing can be achieved through various practices like yoga, meditation, mantra chanting, and visualization. Each chakra is associated with specific role and colors. Now see roles and the activation of the chakra. So first chakra is root chakra, that is called as Muladhara chakra. Located at the base of the spine, this chakra governs grounding, security, and the survival instincts. Activation can be achieved through grounding practices like meditation, focusing on the earth, and chanting the mantra, that is LAM, L-A-M. Second is the sacral chakra, that is called as Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana chakra situated below the navel. This chakra is associated with the creativity, emotions, and pleasure. It can be achieved through practices like focusing on the flow of energy in the body, practicing gentle movements, and chanting VAM, that is VAM. Third is the solar plexus chakra, that is called as Manipura chakra. Manipura chakra located in the upper abdomen. This chakra governs personal power, confidence, and willpower. Activation can be achieved through focusing on the center of the body, practicing affirmations, and chanting RAM, that is RAM. Fourth is the heart chakra, that is Ahanata. Situated in the center of the chest, this chakra is associated with love, compassion, and emotional well-being. Activation can be achieved through heart center practices, focusing on love and gratitude, and chanting YAM, that is YAM. Fifth is the throat chakra, that is the Vishuddhi chakra. Located in the throat, this chakra governs communication, self-expression, and creativity. Activation can be achieved through practices that encourages speaking your truth, focusing on clear communication, and chanting HUM, that is HAM. Sixth is third eye chakra, that is Ajni. Located in the center of the forehead, this chakra governs intuition, insight, and the spiritual awareness. Activation can be achieved through meditation, visualization, and chanting OM, that is OM. Seventh is the crown chakra, Sahasra chakra. Situated at the top of the head, this chakra is associated with the enlightenment, spiritual connection, and universal consciousness. Activation can be achieved through meditation, connecting with the higher consciousness, and chanting OM, that is OM.